Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on use less mobile data on Instagram from phone. Open your Instagram app. At the bottom right corner, click on the profile icon and open your main profile. From main profile, at the top right corner, click on three horizontal lines. In pop-up menu, click on Settings. Next step, in Settings menu, click on Account. In Account menu, click on Data and Usage. And here we can see at the top, use less cellular data. And by default, this cellular data is turned off. To turn on, click on this.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.